What is CAN? CAN stands for Controller Area Network. It is a vehicle communication system that allows all the ECUs, electronic control units, like ABS, ECM, BCM, TCM, to talk to each other over a common wiring system. What is CAN bus? CAN bus is the network wiring, two wires, that connects all the control units together. Think of it like a WhatsApp group where all control modules, like engine ECU, ABS, airbag, etc., are group members, and they send messages to each other using two wires. Why is CAN used in cars? Reduces wiring, no need for separate wires for every module. Fast and real-time communication. Helps in diagnostics, DTCs, live data. Reliable. If one module fails, others still work. Saves cost and weight. CAN bus wire basics. Wire description. CAN high, CAN H, carries one side of signal, around 2.5 V to 3.5 V. CAN low, CAN L, carries other side of signal, around 2.5 V to 1.5 V. Both together twisted pair, for noise resistance. Voltage range, when ignition on. Wire voltage. CAN high approximately 2.5 volts to 3.5 V. CAN low approximately 2.5 volts to 1.5 V. Between CAN high and CAN low approximately 2.0 V differential. How modules use CAN? Every ECU module sends its own data, e.g., RPM from ECM, speed from ABS. Listens for data it needs, e.g., BCM waits for engine on signal. Example use in real cars. Module what it shares via CAN. ECM engine RPM, coolant temp. ABS wheel speed, brake status. BCM lock, unlock, light status. Airbag crash signal. Instrument cluster receives all data and shows to driver. Common CAN bus issues. Short to ground, positive. Open circuit, broken wire. CAN bus off, ECU stopped communicating. High resistance, corrosion, pin issues. Twist loss, electromagnetic interference. How to check CAN bus with multimeter. 1. Turn off ignition. 2. Disconnect battery if checking deep. 3. Check resistance across CAN high and CAN low pins at DLC, pin 6 and pin 14 in OBD. Normal. 60 ohms. If 120 ohms means one terminator is open. If 0 ohms means short circuit. 4. Check voltage, key on. CAN H, 2.5 V minus 3.5 V. CAN L, 2.5 V minus 1.5 V. CAN bus advantages. Advantage benefit. 2-wire network, less wiring, cost saving. Real-time data, fast diagnostics. Shared system modules communicate easily. Easy troubleshooting. CAN tool shows CAN communication faults. Simple summary. Greater than CAN equals digital language of the car. CAN bus equals the 2-wire highway where all modules send and receive messages.